get you done though.
We're definitely gonna get you done though.
Hey guys, Sean, RV'ing for the weekend. Sometimes when you're pulling campers and stuff, you got to do some work on your tow vehicle. Mine, I'm here, Pep Boys. I'm on the rack. It appears that I had some ticking going on, so I believe it was a intake exhaust manifold leak. Now they have found a few other things, like going to a doctor's office. I have valve cover leaks. I have an intake gasket leak and the exhaust intake manifold gasket leak. It's a 2013 Ram, and I'm at 149,000 some odd miles on it. So we got gotta get the work done to it. Here I am. It's not all vacation. Sometimes you had to pay a little more to do those things. So here I am. I'm on the rack. Alright, so we got some leakage down there. I'm getting ready to take it all apart. Alright guys, still here, and it's about 1:30 p.m. now. See if I can't sneak in here to see where we're at. Slightly back way. So I don't see anything. I'm gonna be here late tonight. I knew this coming in when I left the house this morning, because I had this type of work done before, and I got here, I don't know, like 8:30 in the morning, and I didn't leave till like 6, like I said earlier. So I have a feeling this is gonna be a late day. And the bad part of it is the guy that's actually supposed to be doing the work, I keep hearing him coming into the office reminding his manager that he's gonna be leaving at 2 p.m. So I don't know guys. Hoping things would go a little bit more, not quickly, but something happening steady. It took 2 hours just to get it on the lift, and there it is. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm just waiting on parts. can't. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Alright, so here's the deal. Nothing got done today. Mechanic had an appointment at 2 o'clock, so he left. One of the jacks to hold the exhaust manifold up was broke, so I have to come back tomorrow and try to get this done tomorrow. I think he's the assistant manager. Definitely did a lot of apologizing, because I've been here since 9 o'clock this morning. We're rolling up on 3 p.m. now. They're getting ready to get me out, give me my truck back, and I'll be back at 9 for the inconvenience. They're going to give me a 10% discount and a free oil change. But I gotta have these leaks taken care of. So I'm coming back, and I'll probably come back to Pep Boys again. I think it's just one of them things. It is what it is. So far it's been a wasted day, but some things happen. Some things just don't work out. So it is what it is, man. So we'll be back, and we'll try again tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Yeah, buddy. The green bar is an engine support. That's why I was here the first day, all day. That part supports the engine when they're getting ready to do this job. And it was broken. It was broken yesterday. Some kind of bolt, handle or something. The guy here at Pep Boys tried to get a new part for it all day long. I watched the delivery guy come in and out there like 5 different times throughout the day, and it just wasn't happening. So this is day 2 that's here at Pep Boys, and they brought in a new support bar. So truck's not here in the parking lot anymore, back in the bay, and it looks like things are starting to happen there. So might be able to check it out. There it is. It's in the bag. See what happens. Got here at 9 o'clock this morning. Alright, there you go. Mechanic's got his hands in there, and it looks like it's not as bad as we thought it's going to be. Apparently, it might not be an exhaust manifold gasket leak. It looks like it's the ticking is coming from the valve covers and the intake manifold gasket. Looks like what's leaking, giving my ticket. So without it being the exhaust intake manifold gasket, man, that's gonna save me a lot of money, because that part was like $500 to do. So this is valve covers and the intake gasket. It ain't gonna be as bad. It's gonna be half the job, because I was looking at $1,200, and then you're gonna give me a 10% discount, and that would have brought it down to $1,135. So because I was held up yesterday and nothing happened yesterday, they're gonna do an oil change for me, no cost. So they're trying, and a lot of this isn't their fault. I wish it was a little more prepared, but the engine hoist or support was damaged, and then they tried to get it warranted. Then they tried getting some parts to fix it, and it just didn't happen. So this morning they brought in another one, I guess from a different store, to get this done today. And so it looks like it's going to get done today, and maybe half the cost what I was thinking, because it's not as bad as I thought it was. So we'll see in a little bit, see what happens. I guess if you can't reach it, you gotta get in it, huh?
Yeah. It's because of this. So it's the last bolt here, and then we got all the valve cover bolts out. Just pop it out. So, but about to get back out to grab something else. We'll get you done though. We're definitely gonna get you done though.
There it is. Getting it done. Alright guys, I'm gonna let them work. Let them get done. It's about 3 p.m. I think, somewhere around there, or 2 p.m. I've been here since about 8:30. I'm about ready to go. I'm about ready to go home. 2 days of this. I'm just done. All right, I'm gonna let them finish working. It's probably the last time I'm gonna visit them, and then we'll be back on the finish side and give an update of what's going on. They did get me a little lunch. That was nice of them for having me do this the second day. So, yeah. Some things just don't go as planned. So I have no issue of coming back to Pep Boys. There's other work that I've been putting off that needs to be done. AC evaporator coil, it's got a tiny leak in it. I've been just getting away with recharging it, so I may let them do the work for that here when I'm ready, because that's going to be an expensive job. Just not so much the evaporator coil itself. That part is cheap. It's the labor that you got to pay for, and it's a 7-hour job. So mechanic prices. You can see what I'm looking at for an hourly job here. What else? They're going to do an oil change for me, and they're going to check out and see what's going on with my windshield wiper jets, because it's just puddling out water out of the jets. So maybe I can get that kind of taken care of today while I'm here. And yeah, so far that's it. We're just gonna let them keep working, and hopefully in maybe 2 hours. You see him, man. He's in it to the waist. He's on top of it. He's literally on top of it. All right, guys.